Loves. Sa ngalan sa atong Ginoong Diyos, dawaton ko ikaw, tarong bayan mo akong asawa, tarong ako kauban, o gigugmaon, gikan kining adlaw, hantod sa kanturan, sa kabaton, sa kaswagan, o sa kalisod, o sa kamugaway, sa sakit, o sa maayong panlawas, aron ka mahalon, o galimahan, hantod kita, pulagon sa kamatayon. Subay sa balaod sa Diyos, kini ako kasi nasaad kanimo. Bakit dyan? My dearest Sharon, today is a very special day. Long ago, you were just a dream and a prayer in 7 years atong relasyon. Thank you for being what you are to me. Bisan arang nako kapasaway sa imo, nagpabilin gyapon ang imong mapasensyahon ug may gugmaon. With our future as bright as the promises of God, I will care and protect you ug gisaad pod nako nga mamahimong partner nga masaligan nimo. Magtinabangay kita sa tanang pagsulay. And I lay down my life for you, my friend and my love. I promise to be faithful and supportive and to always make our family love and happiness my priority. I love you so much because you make me say yes we can yes and what yes I do.
Loves. Loves. Sa ngalan sa atong Ginoong Diyos, dawaton ki ikaw, aron mahimong akong bana, aron ikauban o higugmaon, gikan ni ining adlaw, hangtod sa kahangturan, sa kawadon o kauswagan, sa kalisod o kahamugaway, sa sakit o sa balatian, o maayong panlawas, aron ka mahalon o animahan, hangtod kita bulagon sa kamatayon, subay sa balaang balaod sa Dios, kini ang akong kinasingkasing nga saad kanimo. My loves, Daniel. If someone had told me that a simple conversation between two textmates would one day leave me here, standing before the man I would spend the rest of my life with, I probably would not have believed it. What started as messages and late-night conversations grew into a friendship that became one of the most important parts of my life. You were my best friend. Katong wala pa si Sister Evelyn. Before you became the love of my life, and I am so grateful that our story began that way. Through the years, I have come to admire your caring heart and your sense of responsibility. O gini mo ang pag-abing sa pagluto. You always make sure the people you love are taken care of, and your kindness is one of the many reasons I feel in love with you. You have been my comfort during difficult times, my encouragement when I doubted myself, and my constant source of strength. Salamat sa katulong panahon when I'm down. Today I promise to love you with all that I am. I promise to stand by your side through every joy and every challenge that may came along our way. I promise to support your dreams, respect your decisions, and be your partner in everything that life brings our way. I promise to continue being your best friend, to listen when you need someone to talk to. Sa akin na chika, pero sige na kan. To love with you during the good times, joke mapuka, and to hold your hand during the difficult ones. I promise to choose you every day, even on the ordinary days, because loving you is the easiest choice I have ever made. Thank you for turning a simple friendship into a beautiful love story. Thank you for being the caring and responsible man that you are. I look forward to creating a lifetime of memories with you, growing together and building a home filled with love, faith, and happiness. Today, I give you my heart, my trust, and my forever. I love you, and I always do.
Agsing-sing.